How to download Hamster Kombat app. So hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to download the Hamster Kombat app. So without further ado, let us begin. So when I search for the Hamster Kombat app on the App Store and the Play Store, as you can see, these are not the correct apps that you should download. But what you should download is an app called Telegram. So just search up Telegram in your App Store or Play Store. It's this one right here. It's Telegram Messenger. And then after that, after downloading the app, what you want to do now is just open the app, and then to download or search up for Hamster Kombat, just go to the search bar at the top right here and then just search up for Hamster Kombat. So I'll show it to you guys. So I'll just click on the search bar right here, and then I'll just search up for Hamster Kombat. So the Hamster Kombat spelling is this. So there's a K in the combat, and then make sure that the Hamster Kombat that you're looking for has a check beside it. So all you have to do is just click on the Hamster Kombat app, and then from here you can now start playing. So to play, just click on play right here, play in one click, and then there you go. As you can see, I can now play the Hamster Kombat app. So as you can see over here, I have the different kinds of features that I can use for my Hamster Kombat app. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to download the Hamster Kombat app.